Hey guys, good morning. On 5th June, we started our journey from Bhubaneswar to Delhi by BBS-ANVT Train. We were so lucky to get side lower window seat, and the view from the Mahanadi River during sunset was just. After around 28 hours of train journey, we reached Delhi's bus Adda, that is Kasmiri Gate. We took some rest at FlexiBus Lounge, and by 10 p.m. we started our journey towards Manali. By 7 a.m. next day, we had already entered Himachal Pradesh, and the view from window was so beautiful that you cannot ignore. Reached Manali Volvo Bus Stand by 11 a.m. and from there hired a taxi for 500 INR and reached Balsary Village where our homestay was booked. Our homestay was little far from the city, but if you love nature, you would fall in love for this home that was surrounded by nature. We had a delicious lunch enjoying city view and snow-capped mountains. In the evening, we got a rented bike and visited Hadimba Temple where Yeh Jawani He Diwani movie was shot. The temple was surrounded by trees that looked so beautiful. Later we visited